All right, welcome back to Divas Cooks Everything. I'm going to just put this out there right now. I don't even remember the last time I uploaded a video to this channel, but I just had like not a brain fart, but like I was about to make some fish tacos tonight, which I already have, I think, a recipe on here for that. So if you guys want to see that, I'll put it at the end of this video. That is if I film that one. Comment below if you guys want me to film more like just small time recipe stuff that I make. I make hundreds of different things. That's why I started this channel, but I've been very busy with my DWS Outdoors channel. This is the one I film for full time. And if you guys want to go check out outdoors content and fishing, that's everything I do over there. You guys can check that out. It'll be down in the description below. But today, I'm going to just do something really simple for you guys. Onions. Okay, so everybody knows you cut an onion open, you cry, right? Not always. So there is a way to cut an onion up. Well, I'm going to dice an onion or chop. They're the bigger ones. Dice is a lot more work, but I'm going to chop an onion and I'm going to show you guys how to keep it from making you cry all over the place. And then, yeah, the quickest way to do this. It's a very fast thing, and this video is going to be very short because this is just one of those stupid simple ones that I wanted to put together. So I'm going to give you an overhead view and kind of talk you through it real quick. You do need a good sharp knife, and yeah, I think that's about it. Good sharp knife, good cutting board. That's about it. So let's get into it. Okay, so like I said, you need a good sharp knife. This is actually just something I got at Walmart. I think it's like a Chicago Cutlery or whatever. It's not a very expensive knife, but I sharpen these myself. And yeah, this is a very simple tutorial. So you have your heel where your roots and stuff are, and then you have the little thing, the head of the onion. So you're gonna cut that off. So very simple. Hold it like a baseball, cut that off, throw that away. Okay, so now it sits all nice and flat for you, you know. So you want to cut that off evenly, I should say. One of the things that a lot of people do is if you cut it at an angle, it messes with everything. But now you got a flat onion. So what you're gonna do, cut it in half, just like that. So down the middle, cut it in half. Take and peel this first layer off, throw that away. Okay, so you should have two nice, clean, like I said, you peel that first layer off. And I'm gonna do one of these at a time, make this very simple for you. So the first cut you need to make in order to get a good little chopped onion. So I already have like a quarter left over from when I chopped them before. I like to chop up a fresh onion whenever I'm going to be making a fresh meal. So that's about what you're going to end up with. If you want it smaller than that, I will have to do another video because there's a way to make them a lot smaller. You guys could probably figure it out from here, but this is going to be the easiest thing I can show you to kind of get an idea about size of chunks of onion. I like this size for tacos. I like it for ground beef, putting it on burgers, stuff like that. It's very useful. But the first, it depends on the size of the onion too. The first couple of cuts, so looking at it this way, so when it's sitting down, the first couple of cuts are at a 45 or 35 degree angle down towards the back. Not into it, but down towards the back. So I'm gonna very carefully okay, I lost count there, but I think that was about 6. So now you have this flapped out baseball basically. Then this is where having a very sharp knife comes in handy. You're gonna start on one end, you're gonna hold it together. So you gotta hold it together and then down and back away from you. So down, back away from you. And you don't wanna cut into this. So trust me, you don't wanna cut into that. This is a lot harder because I'm doing this like at arm's reach right now. And normally I'm doing this right up against myself, but I'm doing this so you guys can see it. So you can already see some of the stuff chunking out. Now take the whole baseball again. So think of it as a baseball. Put it this way. Down and across everything now, all the way to the bottom. And then when you get to about there, there's about an inch left. I will hold it this way. You will have to figure that out on your own. Do not cut yourself. That is not my fault. Once I get to here, so I leave about that much left. That right there is why you cry. Ta-da! So I'm not even gonna do the other half. I don't need to. If you end up with some spots that are chunked together, just hold it down with this end and then just chop across if you want to make it smaller. But yeah, that's as simple as it is to get yourself this. So I'm gonna do both sides, and that'll fill this container. So there's about 2.5 inch Tupperware. The one will fill this container. And yeah, you got chopped onions. I'll do this at the beginning of the week a lot. Okay, so like I said, fills about a container like that. So I had like a third, maybe, not even, I had like a quarter of an onion left in here. But there's your chopped up onions. You use them for just about anything cooking wise at that size. And like I said, you can just chop them up a little bit more to make them smaller. Okay, so like I was saying, that's going to be the easiest thing I can show you guys probably on this channel, period. Comment below if you guys want me to put more of these types of videos out. I have a few other ones in mind, but I'm just not exactly sure what you guys want to see that are subscribing to this channel. The more you guys subscribe, the more often I'll probably upload. If this channel was like 15 or 20,000 subs, I'd probably upload to this one, but right now I'm working on getting 20,000 subs for this one. So hopefully this helps some of you guys out. If you're a line cook or something like that, this will be the easiest thing. You learn how to do this really good, and you can be a line chef just about anywhere, because you can do the same thing with a bunch of different things. No, I'm not a professional chef. No, I don't do anything professional. I literally probably diced up 10,000 onions in my lifetime. So hopefully, like I said, that helps you guys out. Subscribe if you're new here. Comment below if you guys want me to do more videos like this every once in a while. And yeah, hopefully you enjoy all their other recipes. I'll put them at the end of this video right here, somewhere in here. They'll be in here. See you guys next time.